Hello everyone and welcome back to another ONYX Automotive PPF install. Today we have a very special car for you. To the normal car guy this might not look anything special, but today we have this Porsche GT3 Touring in this amazing, very rare in fact, Irish green. This car is actually brand new and it came straight from Porsche, and we're going to be applying a front end extended package to this car, paint protecting the entire front end, which includes both wings, the bonnet, front bumper, side skirts and half of the rear quarter as well. And we're going to show you that entire process as we do right now. And there you have it, the whole front end of this Porsche is now protected, including the side skirts and the rear quarter. When we do our PPF installs, we make sure that it's an almost invisible install. So even on the rear quarter right here, you might think, because we're only covering half of the rear quarter, you might think it's actually quite visible. If I show you this clip right here, and if you follow my finger, that is actually the edge of the PPF. You can barely see it. So the lads here at ONYX Automotive have done a really good job in applying the XPEL paint protection film and making it almost invisible to the normal human eye. Not only do we do a front end extended package, we do just do a front end as well if you're on a more of a tight budget. And if you're looking to paint protect your entire car, we can do that as well. Make sure you go down into the description, check out the website, see our different packages, call up for a quote. And if you enjoy these PPF videos, and you find them satisfying like I do, then make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out our Instagram, make sure you follow us on all platforms and stay up to date, and we'll see you guys in the next video.